All right, guys, here we go again with some more hair. Since my hand is healed, my mom asked me to do her a 27-piece quick weave. Now we're going to do it on top of a cap just to make sure that we protect her hair. This is how it looked once I put all the pieces in. And no, I did not use the closed piece that they provide. I created my own. The style that we were going for something, I would say with a little bit sense of nostalgia, because all my old clients that I've ever done a short style on them know that I love me some spikes. Yes. So I sped this part up, but when she came over with this 27 piece, I was like, oh, I'm about to lay this out. And she was happy because she has been wearing braids. And my mom, she has a little bit of alopecia around her edges from constantly wearing quick weaves. So we try not to do them so often. But she is 60 and fine. Yes, my mother is 60. Don't she look so cute? And red is her favorite color. She picked this out. Go, mama. Let me know in the comments how much you loved it. And be kind, because this lady is 60 and she feisty. Yo, yo.